Good afternoon, dear teacher. I am going to present my dialogue in English with my partner. The topic is about the job interview at the multinational Aeropass Corporation Airbus. Thank you. Job interview at Airbus. Brand. Good morning, John. Tell me about your last job. John, I work as an engineer at Tech Solutions for 2 years. Brad, what activities did you do? John, I developed electronic equipment and reviewed production processes. Brad, did you work well under pressure? John, yes, I work efficiently and carefully because safety is important. Brand, what skills do you have? John, I can build prototypes quickly and solve problems effectively. I also work well with my team. Brand. Well, do you like your last job, John? I wanted new challenge challenges because I love learning. My last job was good, but it was repetitive. Brand. What do you know about Airbus? John. Airbus is a famous, famous aerospace company. I want to work for Airbus because it is innovative. Brand. Do you prefer working alone or in a team? John. I prefer working with a team because we can solve problems faster. But I can also work alone well. Brand. Why should we have hire you? John. I am responsible, creatively, and I work effectively. I can help Airbus Group brand. Thank you, you, John. We will come you soon, John. Thank you, brand.